Good morning, everyone. We've woken up to a very frosty, well, we got down to 24. It's like 25 degrees now. Come here, Morris. Good morning. Come on, Morris. Come here. Morris, come on, honey. I have not frozen food for you. Come on. There you go. There you go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good boy. I'll be back out to do the water in a bit. I'm not quite dressed for water yet. Marty came out, used the bathroom, rushed his little tuchus right back in the house. Hi, Stripey. You come back in a minute, okay, bud? Stripey. Stripey. Hi, honey. Actually, there. Stripey! Here you are. There you are. Don't stay out here in the cold too long. Well, all of the impatiens and other flowers that hadn't previously died, they're toast now. Yeah, definitely toast now. We got the chickens in the house up there. That way. That way. That way. And the ones behind us talking to each other. Good morning, Gray. Yeah. She is not coming to see me. She's all hid. That's too bad. I'm hoping this coming week I'll be able to make friends with her again. She's just mad about the I guess about me giving her the pill and moving her. She's not mad at Johnny, so that's good. She's mad at me. Oh, Johnny won't be home until sometime after 4 today, so I am starting the conversion of the inside of the house to Christmas. I won't get it done today. I'm not, and I do mean it, touching the dining room table. The Lego stuff there, that's a whole day in and of itself. And being careful and not tired and not wore out, and Don's enjoying some coffee. I wasn't quite ready to go out in the cold yet, so I've been here in the sunny window doing the gel clings. I really could use a Christmas tree or some more presents or something. I had lots of snowflakes, and I had bought some more snowflakes this year, but I don't quite have enough Christmas red and green for the windows. I've got some of my it'll stay up until I decorate for Valentine's Day stuff, this Let It Snow here. Forgive the 30-year-old windows. You know, they're never going to be better than what they are, because when the house was empty, we forgot. Honestly, to keep birds from hitting the window, it's better that they're not all super duper crystal clear. It just be more reflective, and it would be more of a problem with the birds. But anyway, I've got gel clings up. I've stayed warm, but it's time to go up in the attic. It's time to go out to the garage. I gotta get cold now. I feel bad you're out there in the cold.
I'm okay. I got...
Is it not too windy?
No wind at all. I got my ears covered up. My fingers, little tips, just a little cool, because these are thin gloves so I can work better. These are in short supply. When you're around the Miller house, come Christmas and outdoor lights and inflatables and lots of stuff. These babies get
they disappear.
Yeah. I think we need to get the supply chain from China much shorter so we can get these in here faster.
Cute. Well, I just found my sign. It says I'll get my elves right on that. I think you resemble that remark today.
That's right.
I have been up in the cold attic.
Yes, it's very cold up there.
But it's not windy up there either, so it's okay.
So I don't think the wind's going to come up today, so I think we're good. It's just plugging away.
Okay, you can get to the window in the snowflake.
Yeah, I know that.
I've made it so that it's not...
this over here.
Yeah, it's not like a wide open freeway, but there's plenty of room to...
I thought you were talking about that one.
Yeah, the snowflake is there.
Yeah.
And right by the window, and you can get to the window.
So that it's up there. We didn't put it in the garage.
That's correct. The box is upstairs in the garage. It never made it into the box. It got set. It got set safely by the window, down from the window, but it never made... This year, we should probably find its way back to the box. Okay. Up in this attic still, but find the box. Yeah.
Good.
Okay. It's only 1:15, thank God, because I got so much more to do. But right here around the back area, I cut out the slimy, dead impatiens all over here and just made this area look better. There's more to do. There's more to do. I was in here too. But, you know, everything I'm seeing coming and going from the kitchen, out here with the kitties, from the kitchen window, that's all tidied up. And there's not that much more to do. Probably about one more round out here with the scissors and I can get the rest of it. But yeah, I took a minute away from inside of the house to do that. I have the Christmas shower curtains up, the Christmas dishes in the dishwasher, and all the Christmas hand towels where they're supposed to be. So, you know, if I stopped right now, we could function. Because when I've got the hand towels gone, the plates gone, the shower curtains down, you know, we're kind of non-functional there for a bit. But we're back functional now. And Don, I think, is still out front.
Well, I have the LED Christmas tree thing, 9 strands, 12 feet strands. The second strand in broke, and I had to whip out my battery powered soldering iron, solder, strip the wires, and I have to tell you, I got lucky the first time because you know, there was 2 wires, and LEDs of there's polarity, right? There's an anode and a cathode, and you got to get them going the right direction. And I had a 50-50 shot, and I got lucky. It is not copper wire. It's that steel wire or aluminum coated stuff. It's terrible to solder. So it is literally just tacked on there with the lightest amount. It should last, but nonetheless, it'll look okay tonight. I'll adjust the spacing later once the sun goes down. I have installed the bird bath heater and ran the cord also. And we decided to leave the little the plastic on there, and I told her as long as there's water in there, it shouldn't melt the plastic, because that thing is obviously it's 80 watts, and 80 watts is plenty hot. But with the water in there, obviously the water is going to be something above 32 degrees, 40 degrees or something like that. And I don't think the base of that, the metal, there's openings in it and all those kind of things. I guess let the water circulate through it. I don't see the heating element getting anywhere near that plastic to melt it, but we'll find out. We decided to leave the cover on there because that concrete could still freeze, even though water itself may not be frozen. The rim around the outside and that stuff will be absorbing water. So we're going to go with this. We'll see how it works out. Might be buying a new bird bath next year.
Waited till you were done making your video to step out the front door.
Yeah.
We all good? Sounded
We're
like
good.
it.
Yeah.
Sounded like it.
We're making progress.
Okay, well, I trimmed up the slimy dead impatiens out of all the pots on the back side of the house.
Yeah, I see them over here.
Yeah. So I did all I'm going to do for now. I got probably one more time out here with the scissors pulling some stuff. And those ones behind you, the Vinca, they're not as bad as the slimy dead impatiens. The impatiens just look like a bunch of seaweed. It looks like a bunch of seaweed.
Sure.
So back near the boardwalk in the back of the house is good. Well, thank you. I'm hoping that rock is going to, I'm hoping, you know, by the end of the day tomorrow or the next day, we should know how the birds are doing with the change.
Right, yeah, I think they're going to...
I think it's going to be fine.
Yeah, they're probably going to come over here and there you go, sit their little tushies down and put their little footsies on top and keep them nice and warm.
Oh, right. Yeah, if they just stay on it, it'll be warm, huh? Yeah, I got it. I got it. It's packed up, but I got to get it upstairs. I'm not leaving it all for Don. If he comes and he helps, that's good. But he's out here putting up this beautiful tree. I'm so excited. That's going to be so beautiful. We saw this when we were out driving last year. Don's probably filmed you a video and talked about it, or will when he's got it up. Hey! And we really liked it, and we waited for it to go on sale off season, and we got it, and I am very excited.
Well, I forgot to shoot a video yesterday, but I put this together. We got this on after Christmas sale or something on Amazon. We got it at a really good price. This is the 7.5 foot one. They make a 9 foot and a 12, and I've seen some yards that had all three, but we really only got this one place for it. It actually is assembled pretty easy. The keys are these little LED strips. There's 15 of them, and the plastic just snaps together. I think you can take it back apart. It doesn't snap and lock in place, but it definitely is secure. And the little horseshoe clips clip onto it, and the spring holds it tight. And it made that pole nice and tight. Very impressed. It gave you a really long cord too. I mean, you can almost work with that cord. I have it hooked up to the bridge power. I just put the black thing in it just to cover it up. I guess I need to tip it up. But right now I have it pointing that way, because she can actually turn it on and off from the porch. The little power pack has a sensor on it, and it'll actually pick it up infrared from the porch. So it's pretty cool. I'm very pleased with this thing. We'll keep a secret here. The FedEx person delivered her bins to the, I don't know, what do you call this? The stairs on the side of the driveway. And funny, I was out here all day and I didn't hear them, although they may have came when I wasn't out here.
One more coffee. I know it's late, but I need it. I got all the Thanksgiving stuff put away, carried upstairs, and set where it's supposed to be. I have not finished packing up the summer village, but I'm staged for that. I got the table ready for the Christmas village. I got the Christmas purses on display and Christmas blankets out. I brought down the Lefton Village because, you know, I had to swap out that fabric, and once you lift up the, you know, you can't leave the naked light bulbs. You got to cover them. So more village here to pack up. This tree's not decorated. The couch is kind of looking festive and probably done. I didn't put the Annalise. So basically Thanksgiving's away. There's a few Christmas linens and dishes are out, and I'm ready to bring the rest of the things down because the shelf up here is not decorated yet, nor up there. But, you know, you're decorated.
Yeah, I am. Of course, I'm all decked out. This is my best Christmas outfit, you know?
Yep. I'll get some video up closer in person. The camera's also actually making it look brighter than it is. And the tree is down here too, looking good. Don did pretty much everything outside. And you know, he's gone around and readjusted the lights here in the front yard. Because they get moved around in the summer with the stuff growing in the storms and the critters and everything. And, you know, we got the wreaths out all over the place. And it's looking a lot more like Christmas. I have all these really cute Christmas door corners. We've got gingerbreads, and we have all kinds of black Snoopy wreath. And a black kitty tangled up in the lights. And somewhere I did put out a nice, a few stuffies and a blanket on the bed for the kitties. It's the same one on the tree. Well, there is one with a train. Maybe the hallway over here. Gingerbread. And kitty cat with presents. There's a bunch of them. There's a few more. Tonight it's ham, and in honor of Johnny being here, mac and cheese.